Hello guys, welcome to Tech Help Kai. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own Ton wallet on Telegram. Now, first things first, all you have to do is to go to your browser. In this case, we'll have to go to Google Chrome. Then after doing so, let's just try to go ahead here and type in this link, which is ton.org. Now all you have to do is scroll down and look for this tab, which you could click on and click on Get Ton Coin. Now let's go ahead and click on that and then proceed and then click on this one, Telegram bot or Telegram wallet, and you will be routed to the Telegram application. And on the Telegram application, all you have to do is hit on start, and then you can open your wallet right now on your Telegram and just proceed. So guys, that is how you create a Ton wallet on Telegram. So if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.